We're going to calculate the average. Suppose we're looking at a sheet of paper and we're looking at the width of the sheet of paper and the length of the sheet of paper. We get out a ruler and let's say we measure the length of the paper with the ruler that normally would be an 8.5 width sheet of paper by an 11-inch length of sheet of paper. Now a ruler is not perfect, so we make our first measurement, we measure off 11.1 inches. Our second measurement, we read off 11.3 inches. And our third measurement, we read off 10.9 inches. And now we want to find the average. So one way to find the average is to take the sum and then divide by the number of objects that you are summing. So in this case, this would be 11.1 inches plus 11.3 inches plus 10.9 inches. And since there are 3 objects, we have 3 measurements, our n, or total number of objects, is going to be 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to add these up, 11.1 plus 11.3 plus 10.9. So we get out our Google calculator and we add 11.1 plus 11.3 plus 10.9. We equal that, and then we divide it by 3, and we get 11.1 as our average. So our average is 11.1 inches. So in my Excel spreadsheet, I can actually type in 11.1 as my average, or I can actually calculate it just to make sure I did it right. So I would say equals average, open parentheses, highlight the 3 cells, close parentheses, equals, and sure enough, I get 11.1 in inches is my average. So to find an average of a set of measurements, you would add each of the measurements up and then divide by the total number of measurements, which in this case, there are 3 of them. And that would give you your average. Or you can find the average in an Excel spreadsheet by using the equation equals AVERAGE, parentheses. It tells you to highlight the cells. We want to highlight the 3 cells of measurements. And then you just hit close parentheses and enter. And you will get the average.